Simmons on pole position on the right hand side of your screen. Mitchell Gibbons second. Away we go then for the Honda Cadet A final. It's a great start for Ethan Simmons, straight ahead of Mitchell Gibbons as they go into turn one then. Ethan Simmons will lead ahead of Mitchell Gibbons on the run up to Christmas Quarter for the first time. Already a breakaway of 5 as everybody else is going defensive on the run up to Christmas, but good start for both of the front rows. Simmons leads, Gibbons is second, Oscar Chewton still there in the 77 is third. Rest of the field coming round, all 34 drivers through the first couple of corners with no problem, which is good to see after what we saw in the X30 senior final. This one is going to be good at the end of that corner. Ethan Simmons has done exactly what he wants to do: take the lead, hold the lead from pole position ahead of Mitchell Gibbons at the end of that one. So it's Simmons, Gibbons, Chewton, Sugar Harbour up to 4, Broughan down to 5th, ECHBERG, Sakai, Zachary Knight, Henry NG-ZEEDERBERG on the Stilp, your top 10. Move going on there, number 73, Rylan ECHBERG has a little look at Spencer Broughan but can't make the move stick there for 5th place. All heading down into Ashby now. Long race this for our Honda Cadets. 11 minutes plus 1 lap, so that's 1 minute 30 of it done. Contact warning for the number 11, Spencer Broughan in 5th place rather. Simmons already really coming under attack. Look at this. Simmons under attack now from Gibbons, who's set very quick. It's first and second sectors, and the gap is 0.07 of a second. Is Mitchell Gibbons going to go this early? He's going to try and do the overtake, or is he going to work with Simmons? No, he's going to work with him. He's going to just try and push him along there and try and break away from Oscar Chewton in 3rd place, which is a good strategy to have at this stage of the race. Good luck messages continue to come in for our Honda Cadets. Hello to William on Facebook, who's cheering on Kaiser Raymond. Good news, he's just got up to 24th position, having overtaken Brooke Lees on the last lap. Our B final winner coming through as well. James Bellis, there's a move there going on with the number 50 of Oliver Stilp going past Zachary Knight. So Stilp up to 8, Knight down to 9. No, he's now under attack from Henry NG-ZEEDERBERG. But NG-ZEEDERBERG goes through, so great move there by Henry NG-ZEEDERBERG through the middle part of the boot. He's up to 9th. Back with the leaders, who are a couple of tenths quicker than the rest of the field at the moment. So this is Mitchell Gibbons using all of his experience at this level. At the moment, working with Ethan Simmons, but more on the basis that that will isolate Simmons later in the race and break that gap to Oscar Chewton there in 3rd. Chewton doing a good job there as well. He's starting to break away from Spencer Broughan behind. Rylan ECHBERG is up to 5th, confirmed on timing. Move there by number 44 coming through the field. That is Ryutaro Sakai. Sakai, who's shown real flashes of speed today. That's past the number 88 of Archie Sugar Harbour. Sakai up to 6th place, back with your leaders. Still Ethan Simmons ahead of Mitchell Gibbons. Continuing to edge out again, another 3/10 of a second edged out over Oscar Chewton. Move going on there involving Joe Cheek. Joe Cheek goes past Joshua Patch. Good move there from Joe, up to 12th place. We're looking at the battle here between the 32 and 22. This is Zachary Knight on his first Honda Cadet appearance. I got in touch with us earlier on Twitter at @DoubleDashM. Very strong first day. That's great to see. Top 10 leaders now have 1.35 seconds over the rest of the field. Still going along very nicely. The pace is still pretty good. Gets a little bit of help from behind. worry region, as I call it, on the Cadet, kind of within 2 seconds. Because if the top two were to start fighting on the last lap, which, let's be honest, they will, it's Honda Cadet, but Oscar TEUTEN could be there to just nick something away in the last couple of laps. Stilp sets the fastest lap of the race so far. 3:98, that is a very quick lap from Oliver. So Oliver is now 8th place, trying to close down on Archie Sugahama in P7. Over halfway in this A final for the Honda Cadets. Final race of the day here at Whilton Mill for round 2 of the Whilton Mill Car Championships for 2019. SYMONDS continues to lead. Working together well. Currently Damian BARUSS-HAGGETT in front of this battle as well in the 43, currently 13th. Joshua Patch there, 93, Gustav Uzikovs to really fight hard in every single position of these drivers. Raging on, very good battle this for 50th place. Oh, at the inside of Vinnie Lloyd goes Joshua Patch. So Joshua Patch back up into 14th position. Number 18 Vinnie Lloyd defending hard there from the 32 of Zachary Knight. He's gone down a couple of positions, but he's still fighting on. Really good performance this from Zachary Knight. Has a little look at Vinnie Lloyd down there. There's a move from the 92. Wesley Swain has just got past Henry Jocelyn, that's for 19th place. 3 minutes plus 1 lap to go. To see so many of these drivers having really good fun. So just about 25 of the evening. Also got the battle here involving Ryutaro SAKAI. Ryutaro SAKAI losing the position there to Archie Sugahama. That's for 6th place. So Sugahama, who wasn't Heat 1, but has then pressed since then, up to 6th place now. Very quick Oliver Stilp, not too far behind as well. Trying to put down Rylan ECHBERG at the moment. Holds 5th place. Still has work really up to the 2 minutes left. Well, that's more than him. Out of position in this moment. Still going to be back the leads there. SYMONDS still seriously big NG-ZEEDERBERG, 10th place. Sugahama and SAKAI Stilp Hill battle. To go then. I reckon exactly what he needs to do. Just holding there. 1.27 seconds down from second place. If Mitchell Gibbons starts to fight with Ethan Simmons too early, they could bring Oscar Cheeton into this. Here's the battle for fifth place. Good work by Archie Sugar-Harmer and Ryutaro SAKAI and Oliver Stilp. They have caught Rylan ECHBERG. So Rylan ECHBERG is now probably going to have to defend that fifth place. This one is not over. Oh, up the inside. There goes Archie Sugar-Harmer through into fifth. Sakai will follow into sixth. ECHBERG just falls back into seventh place. Yes, the leaders cross the line with time still on the clock. So there will be this lap plus one more. Gibbons will stay there again. He won't attack yet. He will lead to the last lap of the race. More support coming in. Hello to supporters of Joe Cheek. Joe's currently in a very good race. Currently in 11th place, just on the back of that pack for Henry NG-ZEEDERBERG. And look at this battle for the lead now. And it's kicking off now. Now has Mitchell Gibbons gone too early? He's gone back on the inside now. It's the left-hander who's taken the lead. He's taken the lead. We're not on the last lap yet. I just wonder, is that a little bit too early? He goes defensive into the boot. Ethan Simmons was helping him out, but look, Oscar TEUTEN is there. He's right there. They're side by side. Simmons will retake the lead. We're going to have a four-way scrap for the final on the last lap. Oscar TEUTEN up the inside trying to get past Mitchell Gibbons. It's all kicked off here in the Honda Cadet final. Ethan Simmons has a gap, but look, Spencer Propham's trying to come through as well. And up the inside, Oscar TEUTEN retakes third place. This is brilliant stuff once again for Honda Cadet, but Ethan Simmons has got a bit of a gap now. Can he hold on to this into Ashby Corner for the final time? Double left-handers coming up, but I think Ethan Simmons has just got enough. He's got to get through this, make sure he gets a good bit of drive onto the last back straight, which he has done. This would be a huge win for Ethan Simmons over Mitchell Gibbons. Move going on for third place as well. I think Oscar TEUTEN's going to hold on. But here comes Ethan Simmons. Oh, he runs wide. He runs very wide. Ethan Simmons is going to win provisionally. But now, my goodness me, we've been talking about track limits a lot. I hope that doesn't cost him.